Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are focusing on the wonderful Yamaha PSRE473 keyboard. We will tackle a very common question: how do you unlock the registration memory? You might be facing this issue if you find that your keyboard is not behaving as you expect. Perhaps when you press a registration memory button, the style, tempo, or voice doesn't change. It can feel like the settings are stuck, frozen, or locked. This frustrating problem is almost always caused by a feature called registration freeze. The freeze function is actually a useful tool designed to keep certain settings the same while you switch between different saved registrations. However, if it gets turned on by accident, it can make you think your keyboard is broken or locked. Let's walk through how to disable this feature and get your keyboard working properly again. Think of this as the key to unlocking your registrations. First, you need to press the function button, which is usually located near the screen. Pressing this button will bring up the main menu of deeper settings. Next, use the category, less than sign, and greater than sign buttons to navigate through the different pages of this menu. You are looking for the menu item labeled registration freeze. Once you see it on the screen, press the category, greater than sign button again to enter its specific settings page. Inside this menu, you will see a list of all the different parts of the keyboard setup that can be frozen. This includes things like style, tempo, voice, and transpose. You can use the data dial or number buttons to scroll through this list. For each item on the list, you will see a setting, either on or OFF. If an item is set to on, it means that parameter is frozen and will not change when you select a different registration memory slot. To fully unlock your keyboard and have each registration button recall all of its saved settings, you need to turn these to OFF. Go through the list one by one. Select style and make sure it is set to OFF. Then scroll to tempo and set that to off. Continue doing this for every parameter in the list that you want to change when you switch registrations. Once you have set everything you need to OFF, you can simply press the exit button to leave the menu. Now, test it out. Press your different registration memory buttons, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You should see and hear that all the settings are now changing exactly as you saved them. You have successfully unlocked your registration memory. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I truly hope it helped you solve this common issue and get you back to enjoying your Yamaha PSRE473. If you found this guide helpful, please consider showing your support by giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel. Every subscription helps me create more content like this to help musicians like you. Your support is greatly appreciated and allows me to continue making these videos. If you have any questions or if this solution worked for you, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next time.